Hello, this is Patrick White with your Friday, July 10th morning market update. Overnight, we've got outside markets lightly lower here. The September S&P is down 17 and 3/4 points at 3,123. The September Dow is down 168 points at 25,403. The stock market is seeing some pressure here overnight as COVID-19 cases continue to mount worldwide. Over 12 million people have been affected worldwide, and infections are reaching 200,000 cases per day. Experts are now projecting that some 200,000 Americans could die with COVID in their systems by fall. Some states, such as California, are continuing to consider another lockdown. That idea is not popular with the public, but it is being watched closely by stock traders going forward. That would be huge. Traders are still signaling that the uptrend is still in effect for stocks at this time, as the September S&P is still able to stay above the key 3,000 level and continues to trade around the low 3,100s at this time. Grain markets are higher here overnight despite some recent rains heading across the Midwest. December corn is actually lower, down a penny now at 356 even, and then November soybeans are up a half a cent at 902 even. Corn has found some light two-sided action here overnight as traders shore up positions ahead of the WASDE report out today. Today at 11 a.m., the USDA's WASDE report is expected to incorporate the new acreage figures in June, from the June planted acreage report. In addition, it is the first time that the USDA could update their 178.5 bushel to the acre trendline yield. However, they rarely do in this report as it is still pretty early in the game. Typically, they reserve that for weather disaster years. Traders are expecting to see a 2.635 billion bushel new crop carryout, and that's versus the 3.32 billion bushel carryout reported last month, and that's largely due to the acreage cut because they're expecting about a 990 million acre or 950 million bushel, cut in production. So be interesting to see how they incorporate those new acreage figures over there. Soybeans here are seeing some light buying overnight. The November contract is still inside of its trading range between 895 and 912 here, and that's just been the trading range before the report. Traders are looking ahead to the WASDE report out today at 11 a.m., and they're supposed to update new crop production, and traders are expecting 4.15 billion bushels for the new crop production versus the 4.12 reported last month. The new crop carryout is expected to be 416 million bushels versus the 395 million bushels last month, and that's also due to the slight acreage increase that we saw in the June acreage report. And as always, I will be sending out the WASDE figures shortly after 11 a.m. here today, so be looking for those in your inbox. I'm expecting a pretty light reaction today, but it is the WASDE. Anything could happen. I'm expecting a light reaction to the downside. So that's all I've got for today. Have a productive day out there, and remember that there is significant risk in trading futures and options, and it is not suitable for all investors. For more information on commodity markets, give us a call at 712-262-7606. Thanks.